2018 Porsche Panamera Turbo SC Hybrid Sport Turismo. His share of Panamera hybrids, which combine a conventional combustion engine with electric propulsion, of the model's total output has doubled in the past 12 months, said Gerd Rupp, head of Porsche's Leipzig plant where the four-door car is assembled. At present we are able to meet customer demand well, he said in an interview, adding about 8,000 Panamera hybrids would be built this year. But there are limits because we are dependent on the capacities of battery suppliers. As a buyer we had originally projected different volumes of battery systems needed, Rupp said. The effects can be seen in longer delivery times of currently 3-4 months for Panamera hybrid models,